So what you're looking at is the inside of an old terracotta plant pot that's seen better days. Possibly it should have been thrown away, but I'll show you why I haven't thrown it away. It's because it was actually a Christmas present to my girlfriend, and I gave this to her probably 28 years ago, 29 years ago, something like that. And it says, Happy Christmas, Charlotte, because Charlotte is her name. And I bought this for her. Well, I bought the pot and then painted it for her when I had no money when I was a student. And it's probably the only present that we've ever kept that long. And about 20 years ago, so I don't know, 8 years after I made this piece of art, she broke it. She dropped it on the steps of our new house, actually, our very first home together. And it broke into many, many pieces. And she went off in tears, and I said, I'll clear it up and throw it away. And what I did was I secretly, painstakingly took the time and glued it all back together. And then about 15 years later, I discovered the concept of Kintsugi. And it looks as though I've been doing it all along, which is a really nice serendipity. And I thought I'd share that with you, having already shared the concept of Kintsugi with you a little while ago. I like this thing more than when I made it, and so does my wife, which is a benefit too. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you because I think it's a really sweet little moment of realization that Kintsugi has been there all along.